Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike. Today we have a Lazy Retired Granny painting for you today, and we are going to be unboxing it here. It is the 20x20, and Lazy Retired Granny really inspired me to get this. So let's get into here and see what we've got. I'm going to just make a slight incision if I can. This blade is blunt as nothing, as usual. I still ain't got around to like replacing the blade on this, like it's so annoying. So inside here, Linda, are you ready? We have something that I think you'll like. And in here we have, Lazy Retired Granny tends to work on a lot of like cottages, houses, that sort of thing. And when you watch her channel, you just feel like you need to join in. So So yeah, I felt like I came across this. It was a recommendation. A little bit disappointed that they didn't have a bigger size, but I came across this, and how beautiful does that look? This is a 20x20. As I say, they only had this size for some reason, and they had it's got like a house in it. I think that's like a balcony. We've got some trees there. I can't work out whether that's a bird or like, it looks like an eagle with the top part there, but then I'm thinking, is it like below the cloud? And then down here we've got like a little blossom tree, which looks absolutely gorgeous. And then down here we have a couple of swans just coming through the river here with a few little plants around the edge here. And I think that's like the little path up to the house here. Reminds me of the weeping willow that we had. There's a place near where my dad lives, and they've actually, it's a massive estate, and they've got one of the houses there is really big, and the amount of like back garden they've actually got a real tree house in the tree. It's so cool. And they actually have, this side is where like the house with the tree house is in, but then they've got a river going through it, and then like really big sort of like gates so that you can't get in, because a lot of people back in the day thought that they could just jump over the river and get into where the tree house was, and you can't because it's all got fencing and stuff. You've got 15 colours here. I have noticed like some of the really lovely paintings like these ones, they don't seem to do any bigger sizes, and it's such a shame, because I think a 30x30 would look nice in this. 30 colours here, and yeah, this is just absolutely beautiful. I'm really sort of like itching to get into like houses and cottages, and this will be sort of like my second sort of house one, because obviously with the country house that I got. So yeah, what do you think, Linda? Let us know in the comments below, because every time I see you working on yours, I just really want to do some of like the houses. And with Linda, she has like, it's not just like a house or a cottage. There's always some sort of like, you know, flowers or greenery, or, you know, there's always something incorporated with the picture. But yeah, I absolutely love it. This is gorgeous. We actually have a pair of, we've got Christmas painting coming soon, which is currently scanning in the hub apparently. So hopefully a couple of days away and we'll get that. Standard there. I don't normally buy Christmas paintings, but if you see a pop up, you've just got to have it. And then inside here we have these lovely drills. This looks lovely. Oh, look at that green. That's beautiful. Wow. Okay, cool. So yeah, this is, I don't know why we've got a single bag there, but we've got like a mild sort of green there. And then inside here we have got absolutely beautiful colours here. We've got a black, a very nice shade of grey there, and that's number 2, which is a 318. We've got, I think we've got all the sorts of different greens in here. So we've got like an army green, a sort of garden pea colour green. We've got a pink and a blue, well, like a turquoisey blue, a brown. That is absolutely stunning. Number 8, 890. And that'll be 890, please, thank you. And then that'll be this colour here, which is a 9. That's another beautiful colour coming up at 902 there. And then we also have ourselves a beautiful, again, it's like lovely teal colour, 15 coming up at 3808. And then this lovely blue, 14 is a 3761. We've got our minty green. 3756. I don't normally call out all the symbol codes, but when it's a really lovely colour, I tend to do that. And then we've got a sort of reddy burgundy sort of colour and a pink. So yeah, I absolutely love this painting. With me, when I see a painting, if it's a recommendation, I don't care what size it is, I'm having it and it's going in the basket. But I think I should start to like look on the image and then check the sizes before ordering, because I really feel like this would make a perfect 30 times 30. But as I say, at the time of me ordering it, they only had this size. So yeah, there could be other, you know, pictures. You can take a photo of the image and then put it into Temu and they'll search for it. And then if they've got it, it comes up. But I think this is absolutely beautiful, isn't it? There's so much colours going on. It's just a very sort of calming, relaxing photo. I'd love to live here, because it looks as if it's the only house in the middle of this, you know, in the middle of nowhere. And it's got this lovely sort of tree next to it. So you could have like a, perhaps put like a table there with, you know, a couple of deck chairs and perhaps a few like glasses of lemonade, and then you get to watch like the little swans go down. You might even get some boats or something, you know. It definitely looks some sort of river, but yeah, there's actually a house that near Chipping Hill in Whittam. There's actually, where the bridge is, there's actually a house that actually has a big sort of pond area, and the swans do actually go from there and then back out again. So and that's next to like a big house and that. So yeah, it's really lovely. Anyway, we must stop staring at it. It's such a beautiful picture, and yeah, I can't wait to get that started. So there's another thing, guys: houses and cottages. House and cottage theme. But yeah, I don't know when I'll do this. It's too lovely, isn't it? You just don't want to. It looks so nice that you don't want to put the drills on it. It's that beautiful. But yeah, I'm absolutely love it. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. So if you want to get this for yourself, the link is in the description of the video. Please remember to do all them YouTube things, which is like, share and subscribe, and tap that bell so that you can be notified as and when the next video pops up on the channel, so that you don't miss out on these wonderful paintings. So until next time, have a wonderful day, whatever you may be doing, and we will see you next time for another Temu coming up very soon. Bye bye now.